Hey guys, I wanted to show you this vintage 1950s Sunbeam lawnmower. Look at the way that looks, isn't that cool? I can't use it for too long because it's old and it starts to kind of smoke. But for little spaces like that, I can. You just can't mow like a big space with it. It's electric. I'm gonna plug it in and then we'll show you what it does. Show you what underneath it looks like so that you have an idea of how it works. See, there's two blades. Two places for two blades on each end. And that's what cuts the grass. And the grass comes out that end and that end. Very space age, very atomic. Sunbeam, 1950s. But are you ready? Look at that. I love it.